8:30. What view da? What amazing view.
Cheta, what's the budget for today?
Budget?
Hmm.
There is no budget.
Then what's that cash you're holding?
We have all the money in the
What's
world.
that? Show.
Look at this. This is just the beginning.
Just the beginning.
Just the beginning.
Only cash. Man is dealing in cash.
Yes. We're throwing cash like anything.
So. Full rich kids. Day 2 message.
Day 2 still not yet started. We are waiting for our planner to.
Planner. Where's the planner?
Planner.
Garage filled with bikes. Hello.
Before telling day 2,
Hmm.
day 1 was amazing.
Hmm.
That to you. Especially you. And the bang.
Then I'll
dances.
change the term. It's not day, it's night. It's night. day was good, night was better. So day 2 plan. Day 2 will be one more better.
Yes. So.
Stay tuned. Another opportunity come.
No, we'll start from there and then we'll come entry.
Okay. Yes, it's day 2 today.
Yeah, good morning, guys.
How was day 1?
Day 1 was really awesome. Enjoyed full second of the day.
Full masti. That's all planned by this boy over here. Chikna of all good.
Yeah.
Very good. So what are the plans for day 2?
Day 2, first I'll have to get freshened up after that.
Okay.
Really,
After that, really
enjoyed
amazing party night.
last night.
Yes.
So all are actually active and very energetic today. If you see, all have woken up on time as per schedule.
Very good.
We'll be having a good yummy tummy breakfast today.
Tummy breakfast.
Okay, after that, maybe we'll gear up and plan for 2 different places. Maybe third one is optional, we might go there.
Yes.
One is maybe Doddabetta Peak. We may not go trekking, but at least see the beautiful scenic view there. Then second is, there is one big falls which is famous, it is Paikara Falls. So visit that place. The third one is, there is a steam train that is special in Ooty. I will travel from Ooty to Kunur and Kunur back to Ooty. So the place name is Lovedale.
Lovedale.
So that station is very antique and has that British Portugal vibe. So we'll go there, take some pictures and have some good memories.
Good. Thank you. Yes. Thank you for your time. Thank you for planning this day 2.
Thank you.
I hope this is executed very well today.
Yeah, today also we have a special occasion. So Rahul will brief it. So this day will be very awesome.
Day 2 special fact is that it's one of our boys' birthday. That is Mr. Sarthak.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Please wish Sarthak a very happy birthday.
I'm Sarthak.
Sarthak is now 26-year-old. So yes. So what are your views? How was your night yesterday?
Night good, yeah. It's all good.
How was the surprise birthday? Although you asked for the cake.
It was on time. Okay, it was on time. Cake cutting was on time.
It was on time because everyone was waiting to go and sleep.
We were all in our mood and we were dancing. And suddenly you play Happy Birthday.
Suddenly out of nowhere we played Happy Birthday. He was amazed as if we didn't know what was happening.
I was touched, bro.
Very good.
And I want to thank each and every individual who was
Thank each and
there
every
in this
individual.
4 walls, between 4 walls. And also team
Hey,
organizers.
special thanks to Cheta for coming and celebrating, although he's not feeling well.
Yes,
Cheta, come.
Exactly.
He's not well, but still he has the energy for Sarthak.
That's why I call him Jimmy, Aja.
Jimmy,
Aja. I wanna give special thanks to special persons. One is Vivek Bhai, my brother he is, okay, and my darling
Which
better
brother?
half,
Elder brother, small brother.
my elder brother. He was a guide for me.
Okay. Okay.
And my junior, my small brother.
Little
brother.
Cheta brother.
And he is Sriram, Dhanush Sriram.
Sriram.
He newly joined.
We are playing Ram Siya Ram in the background.
Newly
Sriram. What a scene.
newly joined to the gang right now.
Yes.
And he is debut.
Yes, done a very great debut. Very good.
And my darling, my better half, Sumit, hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Yeah. And one special thanks to one special person, Mukesh. And
Mukesh is not here because he's busy smoking. Okay.
he is one of the, what I say, great person.
He's one of the great. He's an example
He's
of.
an example of not epitome of style.
Not epitome. He's an
epitome of smoking.
Yes, epitome of smoking.
Yeah, exactly.
He's basically the Mukesh from the movie theaters.
Movie theaters.
Yes. So
Dua,
always smoking.
yeah,
Dua,
exactly.
that
Dua,
was-
dua. Yeah.
So he's smoking and not allowing others to smoke. So he's taking
Exactly.
okay. Since it's his birthday, he is such a big-hearted guy. He's actually agreed to sponsor today's day, and budget will be explained by Sarthak. So what's the budget?
Budget is 50k. Plus or
50K.
minus 10k is okay.
On the camera, 50k. Off the camera,
So there's a split of 50k basically. Yeah. You could ask me what is a split.
so what is the split? Can you please explain? All our boys are eagerly waiting.
So I'm gonna say 10k will do social service.
What is that social service?
We'll give to the who needs it. We'll give them breakfast,
I
lunch.
need it. Can you give to me?
You had enough yesterday. And next 10k I would spend with all of you
Only
to
10K
shave
for you.
and haircut.
Okay.
And
All our-
everyone should be
This was
properly
Chikna
groomed.
already.
Everyone should be properly groomed.
Jerome
I'm
had-
rich, you know.
Better, paisa lao, bhai.
And also I forgot to mention our debutant.
One more debutant.
One more
We have two
debutant,
debutants. One is KD Dhanush Sriram.
Please come here, Karthik Aryan.
Karthik
Please come
Aryan
here.
of the group.
Maybe you can see his face. You just wipe your face properly. This is the audience who is seeing your face.
Karthik Aryan from Bhul Bhulaiya 4.
Can you see Misho Karthik
Okay,
Aryan?
Misho ka Karthik Aryan.
His name is Jayant. Guys, Jayant.
Jayant.
Jayant, please
Jayant.
say hi to the audience.
Hi. Please show the cash. Hey. Paisa, paisa. Hey.
Paisa.
Paisa.
And also Paisa.
Paisa.
And Rahul,
Yes.
with a good note, I think we'll end this vlog.
Yes. Not
Anything?
end the vlog. End for now.
For now, yeah,
Let us
exactly.
continue
We have
today.
some moments outside also.
Suppose if you are going into water, it will be
Water.
going into lake, if you're or waterfalls.
Mado.
चढ़ गए जन्नत जता.
So this is the view from us there. Pretty scenic background straight away from the stay itself. In Ooty. Welcome back to day 2. So today boys are pumped back again after a fantastic last night. After a heavy party, took good rest, got some 8 hours of sleep, and now we are headed once again. So first destination for today is going to be the Avalanche Lake, which is 26 kilometers from Ooty. So it's one of the most famous tourist attraction in Ooty here, and followed by Paikra Falls. Again, it's a famous one. So we are selecting only the good ones, the best ones. Other than that, it's just the regular botanical garden, the rose garden, tea factory, chocolate factory. So yeah, trying to explore something new this time. Weather is pretty hot right now in the morning. It's around 23-24 degrees. Last night it went up to 13. So now it's back to hot weather. So yeah. Pretty muddy roads here. we are now heading back to Ooty. It's time for lunch. So we have picked up a spot to eat in Ooty. From there we'll be going to mostly Paikra Falls. So Ooty from here is 18 kilometers. So once we have our lunch there, we will go to our next destination. Right, off we go again after a short break. Had some Maggie over here. So we just had a lunch here at this place called Angara, which is in Ooty, kind of Arabic style. And okay, it's 4:15. We lost a lot of time having lunch. There was a lot of crowd today since it's Sunday, and now we're headed to our next location, which is Paikra Falls. It's sunny again. Yesterday at the same time it was cold, but right now it's 22 degrees. उधर गए ना 3 लोग, उधर 3 लोग अभी गए,
नहीं भैया इधर से नॉट अलाउड है, प्राइवेट एरिया।
अभी अभी गए 3 लोग, अभी मेरे सामने गए।
नहीं नहीं अंदर नहीं अलाउड है, इधर से पार्किंग करो।
अभी 3 लोग गए हैं मेरे दोस्त लोग, आगे अभी गए वो।
किधर से बाइक?
हाँ बाइक से गए, इधर ही गए देखो।
அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்டுங்க 3 பேர் பைக் தான் போயிருக்காங்க.
ಏನು ಕ್ಲೋಸಾ ಮತ್ತೆ?
Yo guys, yo, this is Sarthak here. Hello guys, this is me.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್
As you can see, this is Ashwin Chetta.
ನಾ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಚೇಟ ನೀ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
And he's the one, he's the personality, he's the one. And this is Jerome guys, we call him Jimmy. And this is Karthikarian at Misho.com. And oh, you're talking something, please continue your fight. And this is Sushir guys, legendary of the game, HD alias HD.
ಈ ಭಯ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
Guys, this is my darling. How is the feeling da? Already it's 5:30. Going home. We're going back to Bangalore. I don't know why these days are gonna be this fast. What will happen? We have to go back again. Again we'll be doing that 4Q and I'll be running after parts. Is it happening? Nothing. Again the time will come. 1 month later again we'll go. Before that we'll definitely have to do a get together. बनेगा पूरा बनेगा भी.
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಗ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 14 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಗುರು.
We are done with the Paikra Falls. How was it?
Paikra Falls was okay for me.
Okay,
Maybe I would say 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 boys.
But we enjoyed.
We enjoyed. We had a nice time over there.
Yeah,
With a
we
beautiful
enjoyed
view.
time not in the waterfall. It was outside that.
Beside
where we
waterfalls,
bench.
there
We
was
sat
a
on the
bench.
bench
We
and
sat
talking,
and we saw
chit-chat.
the sunset. We saw the pine forest and we saw the flow of water.
Yeah, it was
It
good.
was very good.
See, finally, when boys are around, everything is
Everything
fun.
is good.
Excitement
Yes.
overloaded.
Yes. And now it is. What's the time?
Now it is 7:02.
It is 7:02. It's getting dark, and we are going for what? Tea spot.
Yes, tea spot. And then we'll be heading to our
We're going
stay.
to have some tea. Then we'll be heading to our
We're
stay.
gonna have some shopping also. for
Shopping
chocolates.
also. Yes.
Okay. And tomorrow we are gonna go back to Bangalore.
We're going to back home.
Yes.
Back home and then back to work.
Yes. Then we'll come back next
Come
time.
back again in few months.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
The spot will be told
Yes.
soon.
Birthday boy has treated us afternoon. The heavy lunch. What about dinner, bro?
Dinner, I think we have money.
Yeah, 50k was the budget. The 50k.
Yeah, definitely.
Out of 50k, only 20k
Already
spent.
we
10k
have
was
spent
donated.
around 35k,
Yeah.
and I've told them that 70k is okay for me. So
Oh, he's
maybe,
extending the budget to 70k.
extending
We got
the
it.
budget.
Very good.
And okay, we'll see.
We'll see.
Still, we have
If
some
that's
more
also
time
not sufficient, then 1 lakh will be the limit.
with the budget.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll see. We'll
Okay,
see.
stay tuned
Okay,
then.
stay tuned then.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾರು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ I'm gonna fly now.
Yes, how was the lights? Worth it, no?
Worth it, super.
Right.
What is that?